1, 2, 3, come on!
Come on, come on. Come on, come on.
To my channel, it's me once again, Jocelyn Vlogs. Today guys, I would like to update you since when I upload that I have my PIN, my Google AdSense. So let's see now kung magkano ba ang ating sinahod. I mean, how much salary did I have or got it from YouTube. First salary, how much is it? I will show you how much is it. Okay guys, so first of all, thank you to the Lord that I always keeping me safe with good health, and also thank you to all my supporters, my subscriber, family and friends, and most especially shout out to Miles Joyce Vlog. She is the one who teach me and she encouraged me, and I'm praying for her that Google AdSense will YouTube, I mean, will give her the fruit of her account also, as for now we still have a problem with the Google AdSense, so I hope that she can find and do something for it. And shout out to Ro Marvelous, Millie's Kitchen with Mali, Pil Korean Mommy Vlog, Nancy Ting, especially to Ro Marvelous, ang aking anak, naninding supportive. So, magkano nga ba or how much I got from YouTube guys? So, this is what I got from YouTube. See this one? This is what I got. Since I have the email, okay, I'll show you the email. After the email saying that we send you your payment November 21, and then it's saying that within 5 days working days, if I check my account, it's not there. But I got the message from YouTube was Saturday night, and then of course Saturday night is closed the bank, or not you cannot see it until it's like working days. So but I tried to check was Monday and I didn't see it yet, but then the next day and I check it and it's real. So true that there is some money in YouTube, although not much, but this is the fruit of my YouTube guys. See this one? How much is it? 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9. Actually, it's 800. I will show you, and I will put including with my testimony, okay, so that you can see how much the total, and no extra. What YouTube give you is totally completely right, what is written or what is give you message, okay, because you get the message habit your salary. So hindi ko na po hahabaan pa. Thank you so much once again, and this is it. I hope that this testimony, some other people, it said you earn much, but maybe it depends on how your work or video is, because we are only just a small YouTuber, so I'm not expecting much of this, but it's still thankfully to have it all this guy. Okay guys, to have it all this. Okay guys, see, as you can see. So this is it for now. I hope you like it, and please, those who are not yet subscriber, please comments, like and share, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more updates of my video guys. So this is it guys, love you all. Sending new advance happy Holy Week, as December most people celebrating Christmas. So Advance Merry Christmas to all and God bless you all. Babu, sayonara, see ya. God bless. Mwah.